Hi guys, welcome to my channel alienX. In this video we will see how to set up Git on our local system, that is on our operating system. Git is a very popular version control system. In order to work with Node, we must install Git on our operating system. Okay, let's go through a few steps to set up Git on our computer. Then let's start now. Okay, now open your favorite browser. Here type for Git for Windows, and here you can see git-scm.com downloads. Click on the first link, and when you click it you will go to the download page. Here you can see the multiple operating systems. Based on the operating system you are using, select that. Here I was using Windows. I am selecting Windows operating system, and here you can get, if you want to get any documentation, here you can see. If you want, you can go through here and click on downloads. I am using Windows, so I am clicking on Windows. Okay, once you clicked on Windows, here you can see Git started downloading. Git will automatically start downloads based on the operating system and the bit which you are using, whether it is a 32-bit or 64-bit. Here I am using 64-bit, so it is downloading Git 64-bit execution file. And once the download is completed, click on that show in folder. Okay, then double click on Git application. You can read it. If you want to review the license, you can just click on next, and here you can see it is selecting a default path. Okay, then click on next, and here you can see it is here you can select the additional options if you want. I am clicking this to get a icon on the desktop, and if you want daily updates, you can select this option too and click on next, and just click on next. And here you can see the Git is using a default editor. If you want to use default editor, you can leave it as it, but I want to use Visual Studio Code as my Git default editor. Here you can see Visual Studio Code as Git default editor. Yeah, third option. Okay, then click on next, and here you can see if you want to select this, you can select. If you don't want any command line or third party server, and here you can select any one of these. If you want to use it as optional unit tools from the command prompt, you can select this one or this one, but I am going to leave it as default, and then simply click on next and click on next, and just next, click on next. And here you can see that I am using my use default console window. If you want, you can use this, but I want to use this. Just click on next, and nothing to change, click on next, and nothing to change, click on next. Okay, now if you want to enable this, if you want any experimental support, you can check this box, but I don't want this. Just click on install, and the installation process is started. Here you can see. Okay, once the installation completed, here it is asking something, complete the git setup wizard. Setup has finished installing it. Yeah, here you can see it has finished installing it on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting install shortcuts. Click here. Okay, launch git bash. Then click on next. Yeah, Git is successfully installed in our operating system. To check whether Git is installed or not, we have a command to check it. The command is git hyphen hyphen version. Okay, just click on enter, and here you can see that Git version 2.28 is installed in your operating system successfully. Okay, thank you. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and share.